what is up, guys? It's me, Hendro, back with another video. And we're back in the studio to do another video. Okay, that's just the that's the laptop I use to do some live streams. Okay, so we'll be playing some checkpoint mode on this game. It's like extreme trial. I don't know. I have actually no idea how to play this game. Wait, what's this? Yes, thank you. So I'll be playing checkpoint mode. Yes, checkpoint. Yes, okay, wait, no, I need to go back now. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. We got another checkpoint. Backwards, baby. Okay, where's the next checkpoint? First, I want to like change my car. Okay, ready? This. So I will be back with my brand new car. Let's see if I can get in this. Yes. Yeah, let's go. I'm in. Look at my brand new... Oh, and here it is, the next checkpoint. Oh, I can just keep on going straight. And I'll be fine. Nice. Yeah, thought that. There's lots of cool places here. Oh, let's go, I'm a pro somehow. Like, I want to, like... Wait, no, this way. Wait, what? Oh, here's the next checkpoint. Oh, pretty weird place to have a checkpoint. Okay, let's just get out of checkpoint mode. Here comes TikTok. Okay, let's go to, back to menu. That's my car. Okay, let's go to drive. Let's just play free mode. And I'm gonna take you guys pretty much everywhere. Okay, if I can remember. Oh, no, what am I doing? No, what am I doing? Okay, so let's read the signs. Stop here. Stop here. Off-road? No, I don't want to go to the off-road. Okay, let's go. Where else is there? Okay, let's go over here. I want to go to like the city. Like, let's go to the airport. Airport's pretty cool. Wait, isn't airport like... What's here? There's a sign. Yeah, that's the way to the airport. Yep, there's the way to the airport. Wait, this will be the underground tunnel one. Yes, let's go. Ready, we're gonna be speeding all the way. Let's go speeding. The speeders. Oh, what a jump! Oh no, my car's getting broken. Oh, what a jump that was. Okay, let's do some ramps. Right now I'm just speeding and going everywhere I want. That ramp thing was actual move. Okay, let's go over here. Oh no, my car's getting damaged. No, my car's getting damaged. Oh wait, I think I just passed it. Yeah, broken. Oh no, my car's broken. No. Oh no, I'm just even more. Oh, that just. Let's just show. That looks weird. Yeah, I passed this. Yeah, here it is. Here's the exit. Wait, what? No, this isn't. Wait, yeah, this is the exit. Okay, let's go from the exit to the desert, I think. I thought it was the other way turning. Oh, it's the off-road. Here comes another ad. What is this game that's on the ad? Another TikTok one. I absolutely hate TikTok. First I thought TikTok was a clock, but then I realized it was an app. Okay, where are we going? Okay, this way, off-road. Off-road division. Yeah, let's go off-road division! Off-road division! I don't upload videos from that anymore. But come on, we like that channel. I wish you guys like it because I don't. At least the channel's bad. I still think the channel's bad. Off-road's division's not good. I deleted like most of the videos. Oh, here, yes, we're in the off-road. Let's go, stunt. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go to another place. Off-road division. Wait, okay. City, yeah, oh, we were in, wait, whoa. What is this? Whoa, yeah, let's go in here. Yeah, let's go in here. But this is just the same thing. Oh, it's the same thing. Yeah, let's just get out. Resource open, yeah, whatever. Wait, no. No, wait, what? No, get me out of this. Wait, no. No, wait, what did I... What? Drive. Paint job will change, will be locked. Wait, what? What just happened? Oh, I'm blue again. Oh, whatever. I don't want to waste 50... whatever it is. Oh, I missed it. Oh, no, retry. Oh, come on. No, I'm not bothering to get it. Okay, let's just, I don't want to go in the city, so let's just go over here. Do some stunt courses. Yeah, let's go. We just got trashed. Wait. I want to see what's actually in here. Ooh, there's a car. Repair. Wait, no, fix. Wait, what? Wait, no, where did I get myself into? Where did I just get myself into? Wait, what? Can you guys go like that? Oh, so close. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, let's go. Wait, this is the end? Wait, what? This game's confusing. Oh, that was a bit weird. The downside. Oh, let's go for a jump. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go jumping. I want to go back to the city, actually. Hey, where's the city? Time to find the city. Time to find the city. But first, I want to do... We can't. Oh, here. Sign. Yes, I like signs, even though I destroyed like 10 of them. Okay, signs. We follow this one. We follow the road. I wish we could, like, you know... Comment down if I should do these videos. Or, like, last video I did a block Go. Okay, I'm back to YouTubing at least. And then this way. And we're in the city. Okay, let's go to the airport again. I know you guys think I'm crazy right now. I'm just going like anywhere I want, pretty much. Oh wait, this isn't the city? See, speeding everywhere. Now my car is broken. Speeding everywhere. Now my car is broken. We like speeding. Oh no, wait. I didn't know this was a thing. TikTok. Why does everyone like TikTok so much? I'm not even gonna look at it. And please go. Is that where? I shouldn't get why TikTok is a thing. TikTok should be banned. TikTok. Like comment down below if you guys like TikTok. It's like, I know like no one does. Like, come on, what's good about TikTok? You do nothing in TikTok. Just make videos. Just like, I still don't get the point of TikTok. TikTok is a clock. TikTok is a clock. Wait, what? The sign came back? I thought I destroyed it. And termine. Wait, whoa. Reverse, that way, and then that way, and then that way, and then that way. Wait, what? Go there. Let me go all the way for a turn, and then we go that way, and then we are pros. We are the pros. We are the pros. Get that out of the way. Okay, let's go for another jump. Ready, guys? Get ready for another jump. Max speed. Wait, no. Wait. Yeah, another jump. Hey, we got lots of speed. Ready for another jump? Oh no, it's night. Ooh, didn't get it that good this time. But guys, hope you like this video. Like, I just felt like I would just try something new. Like, it's a pretty good game. Come on, guys. I didn't even remember the name. But yeah, it's a free-to-play and fun game. Please download it, and yeah, that's it really. So this thing's moving. Look, my hands are here and it's moving. Here's my other hand. And it's moving. That's creepy. Someone's controlling me. Stay tuned to find out who's controlling.